Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering up the Kraken V4 Pro and readying its wireless dongle. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. Once done, charge until the LED indicates sufficient battery and plug the USB-C dongle into your PC or console. Make sure the headset's wireless switch is in pairing mode. Press and hold until the LED blinks. This step tells both devices to announce themselves and prevents the system from connecting to an old device, so pairing goes smoothly. Next, put the headset into active pairing. Hold the power button until a blue blink pattern appears. This signals readiness. Then, on your PC or console, open the audio or controller device list and look for the Kraken entry or the dongle name. If the system doesn't auto-detect, press the dongle's pairing button to force discovery. You do this because the dongle sometimes needs a manual nudge. Once the device appears, select it and wait for the confirmation tone or steady LED to show a successful link. Finally, make sure the Kraken is the default audio device in your system settings and test mic and game audio. Install Razer Synapse to apply firmware updates and customize EQ. This improves stability and sound signature. If you run into issues, reset the headset by holding power 10 seconds, unplug and replug the dongle, then retry pairing. This clears stale connections. If interference persists, move closer, remove USB extension hubs, or try a different USB port to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.